Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone 15. If you are here for any other iPhone, this will work as well. Push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once your phone turns off and you see the Apple logo, you can then let go. You can now let go. If you guys need any further assistance, shoot a comment down below or message me on Instagram. If this video has helped you guys out, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. And drop a comment or a like below. And there you guys go, your iPhone 15 has been hard resetted.